Wonderland Weekly is proud to present Hershey's Chocolate World 2022. Now sit back and have a wonderful trip abroad.
Hey everybody, Toronto Ty, and I am here at Hershey's Chocolate World for my first time ever. Yeah, this is super exciting. I'm not going to get into Hersheypark today, but I've gotten so excited for the park that I feel like I'm gonna have to plan a trip for Hersheypark itself for the very near future. But before that, I just had to come here and check out the Hershey's Chocolate Factory tour, and anything else that is free because I am on a budget. And definitely excited to check this out. Woo! Hershey's Chocolate World. Oh my goodness, there's just so much activity in this one kind of small-ish space. This is fantastic. Just everything is so fun. I love it. Oh man. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is fantastic. Definitely going to be spending more money than I should on on a bunch of plush things. Oh man, they've got all these assorted plush characters like the Twizzler guy and the Reese. Is his name actually Reese? That would make sense. Oh my goodness. So many fun things all over the place. And this in particular, oh my goodness. I want this puffed plush set so badly. They look adorable, but I think it's gonna have to wait until my next visit, when hopefully I will actually get to meet these guys in the park. Guys and girl, of course. Can't forget about kisses there. Oh man, love the ride vehicles, love the moving platform, love everything about this so far. Fantastic. Woo.
The Hershey goodness starts right here with pure fresh milk. Sing it, girls!
It's scanning something.
I'm the quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
Hi.
I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go.
Woo!
It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Goodness. The music.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's Cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which will use later on in the process. Every day, shuttle and tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Oh no, this is the milk. Oh, okay. I can read.
It takes 1, 2, 3 rings to talk in. Stirring up your imagination. It takes love all over Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection?
We dry the chocolate crumbles with coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter with pressed down earlier to adapt your aroma. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course that wonderful smell.
This is the unique smell-o-vision for
The chocolate
viewers.
comes with steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark ones.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Hans. It's so sweet.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye. We get to smell it.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
The time is off, I think.
Oh my goodness.
Now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye.
Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. That was just such an adorable ride. I love it. I absolutely love it. It is so fantastic. And you do get, you know, your sample on the way out, your free sample on the way out. That is, oh man, and like all of it is free. That is the crazy thing. That ride is completely free, and it is a great ride. Oh man, this was definitely worth coming out of the way for. And yeah, no, this, man, there's a lot to do, and I haven't even been inside Hersheypark itself. Unfortunately, I did not get to see any of the characters here. I really would have enjoyed that, but they do have character meet and greets here, which is really cool, considering that again, Hershey's Chocolate World, then it is free admission, and the tour is free. Most of the other stuff is not free, but it is still really awesome and really popular. I had wondered if maybe like they, I mean, on the website, then it says that it's like, you know, less busy for like the last 2 hours of the day, but I don't know if it's just the way that the schedule's worked out this for today or what, but yeah, Hershey's Chocolate World closes an hour after the park, I believe. So all the people who are leaving the park head in here to yeah, get their last ride of the day and buy all their stuff from the Hershey's largest candy store, rather. And yes, this is the line for it. The line moves insanely fast, though. It is so great. And yeah, so they do have the Hershey section over there, and the Reese's section there, and then the Kisses section over here. And oh my goodness, I love everything about this place. It is fantastic. I really want to come back. I wish I had gotten to do, I know one thing is closing like this year, and I did not get the chance to do it, but, and now I'm stuck here, but, but I really want to try some of the other stuff here, so I will be back to Hershey's Chocolate World at some point, and hopefully I'll also get into Hersheypark itself. Well, that'll about do it for this quick stop here on my way to Dorney Park. Yeah, I thought that I might do this on the way back, but time got away from me and decided to do this instead of doing Dorney Park on this first day of my Pennsylvania trip. So, very cool. I love I love the way that Hershey has all of this stuff set up. Everything seems to be like really well done. Like it's really brilliant having Chocolate World be separate from the park itself. As yeah, it's really great that you're able to do that. And yeah, I definitely spent more money than I should have, but you know what? That's okay, because this is the home of Hershey's chocolate, and it is the sweetest place. Yes, I had a ton of fun, even though I didn't go inside the actual, Hersheypark. But I'm sure I will be back very, very soon to get in Hersheypark itself, get on Candymonium. Yeah, that name is it's something. And yeah, man, I love this entrance. I know that they just recently redid it. It seems like Hershey is really investing a lot, and I love to see that. That is really, really great to see a park investing so much in improving everything from the front entrance here, to adding adding Candymonium, and this year with Jolly Rancher Remix and Mixed flavored by Jolly Rancher. Don't love the names, but but yeah, no, oh man, I have to get back here. I'm already planning my trip for hopefully next year. Might bring my family with me and actually make a day of Hersheypark, and also definitely going to go back into Hershey's Chocolate World. So until next time, as always, have a good one.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.